Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Morphe 15S Social Butterfly palette. This palette is part of their holiday collection that will be available on October 23rd online and in-store. Online, they usually launch at 8 AM Pacific Standard Time. I'll have all that information down below. So this is a 15 eyeshadow pan palette that will retail for $16. The casing of this palette is a matte black plastic with the snap closure, and it does include a good quality mirror as well. As of now, I don't know if the palette will be limited edition. So out of the 15 eyeshadows, 7 are matte and 8 are shimmers. I don't know if it's just me, but I've noticed that the shimmers in these 15 eyeshadow palettes are pressed on more and are not as creamy as the shimmer shadows that are in the 35 pan palettes. When I did the swatches, I noticed that the mattes in the palette are more on the drier side, especially the purple and hot pink shade. The purple shade, which is called Influencer, was the only matte shade that swatched a bit patchy. When I tested them with the blending brush, all the mattes blended smoothly, including the purple and the hot pink shade. I also noticed very little kick up. For the shimmers, like I said, these are pressed a bit more, so they're not as creamy. The shade Best Night Ever was very sheer, and I had to literally layer it up to show up in my swatches. The rest of the shimmers work best with the finger application. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.